Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change email in Agoda. So the first thing that you actually need to do guys is go to agoda.com, where you will be greeted by a website like this. Now guys, when you're here, you just need to go to and log into your profile, but if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Agoda. Now guys, if you do not know how to register, you can always go to our channel where we have plenty of how-to videos where you can also see how you can register to Agoda. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So here we have the hotels and homes, where you can choose from different kind of hotels and homes. You have transport, where you can see flights, buses, trains, ferries, airport transfer, and car rentals. You also have coupons and deals, where you can go, this is new on the website, and see which coupons and deals they have, and also the apartments, where you can choose from different kind of apartments. Also in the top right corner, we have you list your place, where you can go and actually list your place on this website. We have the language changer, where you can see suggested languages and see which language you actually want to use, which actually the language you prefer. Also, we have the currency that you can choose from here on this website, and we have the shopping cart, where you can see all of your things that you chose for the shopping cart. Also in the top right corner, we have bookings, property messages, Agoda Cash, we have cashback rewards, Agoda VIP, we have saved properties list, we have reviews, points max, and we have the profile and the sign out button. But now guys, let's see how you can change email in Agoda. You can go into the top right corner and click on your profile. When you're here, you will have your email here. So my email is here. Your email, but you have, of course, you have to verify it. I didn't verify my email, but when you verify it, you'll have an edit button here, as we have one here and the edit button here. You just need to go and click on edit button, and you will have your email changed in a second. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and that you now know how to do this. And I guys would be asking you if you could like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.